Look the question. It is cancellation 8 and 8 are cancelled, so 50 divided by 5, which will be equal to 10, which is our answer, which is wrong. So I have to solve question again. Question is 50 divided by 5 over 8 times 8. So we have to follow the order of operation. First of all, we have to handle this division because we have to move from left to right. So 50 as it is divided is converted into multiplication, and 5 over 8 is flipped. It will be 8 over 5 times 8. Now 5 and 50 are cancelled, so here will be 10. Now the remaining portion will be equal to 10 times 8 times 8. Now 10 times 8 will be equal to 80 and multiplied by 8. So 80 times 8 will be equal to 640, which is our answer. Thank you for watching and subscribing my YouTube channel.